Hey everyone, welcome back to Silly Tech TV. You are watching now the next video in Arduino tutorials, that is Arduino installation. Till now we have learned about Arduino, their pinouts and their functionalities. Now in this video you will learn to install Arduino and get started with it. So before installing we need something to install Arduino. So what are they? Those are requirements. First is Arduino. So in this tutorial we will be using Arduino Uno R3. You can use any Arduino board like Mega, Nano, Lily, Leonardo, etc. as you like. Next thing we will be using is USB cable. This is a type A to type B 2.0 USB cable. It is commonly used USB cable with printers, but it is also compatible with Arduino boards like Uno. There are several other USB cables which are compatible with different Arduino boards, so you can check it you can check it according to your Arduino board. Next we need is Arduino IDE. So it is a software which we will be using to code the program for Arduino and flush into it. So it is a very it is an IDE which makes Arduino coding very easy, and it is available for different operating systems like Windows, Macs and Linux. Next we will be using a computer. Definitely we need a computer to code, to check and to keep track of the data and transactions. So we will be using a Windows operating system, in our computer. So for that also the Arduino IDE which we will be needing, definitely we need it for Windows. So let's start with the installation processes. First step is download Arduino IDE software. So where we can get the Arduino IDE software? We can find the Arduino IDE software in Arduino official websites. Let's do it. To download the Arduino IDE software, just Google Arduino IDE download. The first link you will find, it is of Arduino official website. In the first link you will find the Arduino IDE software for different operating system. Here you can see this software is present for Windows operating system, Mac and Linux. As we are using Windows, we will be downloading a Windows. Here you can see there are three types of software available for Windows. Arduino already is present in Microsoft Store, so you can download from there also, but we will be downloading a zip file which contained a pre-installed software. We just need to extract it and use directly without installation also. So let's download it. By clicking Windows zip, you will find a page which asks you to contribute some amount to the Arduino company so that they can proceed their work and the development with the Arduino. If you don't want, then just click on just download button, and like that your download will start. I think my net is slow. Here you can see our download started. Here Arduino 1.6.12 Windows zip is downloading, but I am going to pause it and cancel it because I have already downloaded it for you to save time. So let's proceed to next step. What is next step? Step 2, power up your Arduino board. So how can we power up our Arduino board? The first question, and it is very simple also. It is a common sense. We do have our USB cable. Just use the USB cable to connect your Arduino with your computer system. Like that you will power up your Arduino board, as well as you will connect the Arduino board with your computer system. So when you will connect the Arduino board with your computer system through USB cable, you will find near pin number 13 one LED will start glowing, which is labeled with PWR. It shows that your Arduino board is powered up and ready to use. So if you find that your LED near pin number 13 is not glowing, that means your Arduino board is not powered up. Please check it again, or you may have some fault in your Arduino board, so replace it. Next step, step 3, launch Arduino IDE. So to launch Arduino IDE, first we need to extract the zip folder so that we can find all the files present in it, and after that we will just execute the Arduino executable file. Let's do it. Here I have already extracted the zip folder for you to save time, obviously. Let's see what are the files present inside that zip folder. You can see we have around 9 folders and some of the files present also. Here you can see one file with label Arduino and one icon with infinity symbol, and which is of type application. This is the executable file which we were talking about. Just you need to double click it and you will just launch your Arduino. It is ready to use. So you can see this is the Arduino IDE interface. What is void setup, what is loop, we will discuss about it later. Let's first proceed with the next step. So next step is step 4, open new project. So how to open new project? We just need to click on file, then new, or directly Ctrl+N, or we can use here one icon, new icon, to create our new project. Let's click on it. Here you can find our new project is created. Let's proceed with next step. Here also in this picture you can see we will click on file, then new. Like that we can get our new project. Step 5, open existing project. If you have written some codes already, then to open if you have written some code already, then you can go with the open, or if you want to test some of the pre-existing project, so then you can go to file, then examples, then basics, then blink. Here you can see in this picture. In this picture it is trying to open a blink example, basic example of blink for demonstration. Here you can see we click on file, then examples, then basics, then blink, then we will get our blink project. Let's do it. File, examples, basics, then blink. Here we got our blink project. You can see there are some of the codes already written inside the void setup and void loop, which was not written in the new project. So what all this digital write, pin mode means, we will discuss about it later. Just you know that how we have opened a pre-existing project which is present with the Arduino IDE software. Now next step, step 6, select your Arduino board. Okay, select your Arduino board. How to select the Arduino board? After connecting Arduino board with the computer system, you will find a option. What is that option? Tools. Inside tools you will find a board. In the board you need to select your particular Arduino board, because this is a generalized Arduino IDE software which can be used with all types of Arduino boards. So you need to select your specified Arduino board so that it will upload or flush the code to your Arduino board perfectly. Then you need we will proceed to next step, that is step 7, select your serial port. This serial port is very much important, because of this only the codes or the data will be transferred from computer system to Arduino or Arduino to computer system. So to select the serial port, you need to select the tools, then serial port, and then select your serial port for the Arduino Uno or Arduino. Here you can see there are 3 serial port, COM1, 2 and 3. Basically this COM1 and 2 are for hardware and software, and you will find your Arduino board on COM3. If you do not get your Arduino Uno specified, or you do not find your Arduino Uno on COM3, then try other COM ports or serial ports. Okay, you will find definitely. Next, step 8, upload the program to your Arduino board. How to upload? We have seen there are few icons on the top of the Arduino IDE. Take one tick. You can see when I am placing my cursor on this tick, you will find it is written verify. When I am placing my cursor on this arrow, it is written upload. When I am placing my cursor on this icon, it is written new. We have used this to create our new project. When I am placing my cursor to this, it written right open. With the help of this we can open our projects, and this down cursor we can use to save our project. Next, here you can see in this image also, in the end this magnifying glass is a serial monitor which we can use to check the data which are sent from the Arduino board, or we can also send the data through this to the Arduino board also. So these are the steps which are required to install Arduino. Let's see all these things in action. Welcome back guys. So let's start with our practical session. So in our requirement we discussed that we need one Arduino. So here is our Arduino Uno R3 board. You can see here we have already discussed about its pinout and functionalities. Here is our USB cable, type A to type B 2.0 USB cable. Here is our system with Windows operating system, and we have our blink example which we have opened in our steps. So let us connect our Arduino Uno board with the system and power it up. Here I have connected one end of the USB to the Arduino Uno board and other end with my laptop. Now you can see here there are two LEDs glowing, on LED and the LED near to pin number 13. This we have discussed. If these LEDs are glowing, that means your Arduino is power upped and your Arduino is working correctly. Your Arduino is ready to go. Okay. So now let's upload this blink example and check what exactly is happening. So here is our blink example program, right? Now what I will do, I will compile once. You can see here, by here in the tick it is written verify, right? You can see here in the tick it is written verify. We will just click on tick so that it will start compiling. In the downwards you will see the compilation process. If you will have any compilation error or in your code, then it will show there. So it is compiling. So done compiling. We did not get any kind of error because it is pre-written and it is also error free. So now In our last two steps we told that we need to select our board. Let's select our board. Here in the tool menu we will select our board. It is already selected, Arduino Uno, Arduino Genuine Uno, and in the port we need to select COM3. As we have discussed, COM1 and COM2 are reserved for hardware, so here is our COM3, which is Arduino Uno. We will select that. So now we have selected our serial port, you can see. Now what we need to do is just upload. By clicking on this icon we will upload our code or flush our code to the Arduino. Let's see. Now you can see there that it is again compiling, and after compilation it will just upload it to the Arduino Uno board. Done uploading. You can see there is no error, it has already uploaded. Now you can see in the board the LED near pin 13, the LED near pin 13 is blinking. So this code was particularly to blink the LED after a second. It will glow for 1 second and it will just turn it off. So it will blink for 1 second. So you can see the LED is blinking, and so we have uploaded our code. So thank you. If you like our video and work, please like, share, comment and subscribe. We will be back soon with something more interesting. Thanks.